Hey friends, Catherine here. I am going to try another foray into cane making today. I've got this bit of blue and this bit of green. The blue's sort of darker on this side and lighter on this side. That should be interesting. And the green's not as big as the blue, but that shouldn't matter. I've got them both crushed out pretty flat and rectangular. I'm just gonna lay the green right on top of the blue and sort of line it up and then bring it all to the middle and square up all my edges. So I'm going to use a bench scraper for that because it's easy and I can just press straight down and take away the extra clay. So square up the edges. Well, more or less square. Sort of square. This is going to be a pretty simple cane design, but one that I think is really actually very fun. And I want green to be the outside color, so I'm going to turn it facing downward. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it from one end and turn the edge in on itself so that it is the smallest possible edge I can make of that. And then I'm just going to roll it up. Then I will take and smooth down this outside crease, and that really, quite honestly, should be it. I'll roll it down narrower, of course, but that should give me a nice set of blue-green spiral beads. Just finish smoothing that down and then roll it out into a thinner cane. Something that's sort of longish, or longer at least, about the size around that I want the beads to be. Hopefully. We'll see how it goes. And then, if everything's stretched how it should have, we will have a spiral inside of it. Maybe a little bit smaller on this one. It's not going to be too terribly long, and that's okay. There we go. Alright, and then these end cuts never turn out well, and I always try to do them before I bake it, and it's never a good idea, so let's try again. I've got an X-Acto knife here, and I'm just going to slice off the end, and I will see if I can't just do it all the way around to see if that helps how the end ends up looking. Nope. It's still a mess. Well, we will bake it and see what we see. It should be sort of spirally if I can get it to... I'm not going to be able to get it to show up pre-baked. That's okay. I will go and bake it, and then I will cut it for tomorrow's video. So I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!